Hi, I'm Tyler with MyRod.com. Installing a T5 transmission with a 5th gear overdrive is a fantastic upgrade for your vintage Mustang. However, you'll quickly realize that your factory shifter boot doesn't fit. Here's a quick tip for you guys on how to get around that. Okay, as you can see here is your factory shifter boot for a 65 through 68 Mustang 4-speed manual transmission. It's square. This does not have enough area inside to accommodate your T5 where your shifter handle mounts. There's just not enough room here. You're gonna have a huge gap and it's not gonna seal. So what is the solution? The solution is this right here. This is for a 1969 Mustang 4-speed or a 1970 with a 3-speed. The 1970 4-speed would have a rectangular hole in the top here. 1970 3-speed has this round hole, or all 1969 Mustangs with the 4-speed had this shifter boot. So this allows you enough area for the T5. Let me show you what I mean. Okay, here we are in the car. Just for demonstration purposes, I wanted to show you the factory square shifter boot. This would be for a 65 through 68 Mustang. It will not fit over this T5 transmission where your shifter hooks up. You're never going to get a good seal. It's just not going to work. So what's the solution? Again, 69 through 70 shifter boot. This works perfect. You can slide it on with just a little bit of wiggling. Boom. Fits great. Now, this is awesome. It's a factory Mustang shifter boot, albeit 69 through 70, but it's period correct and it doesn't look too funky and it works wonderful. As a side note here, this is a shifter that's made aftermarket for your T5 transmission. It's got your factory round Mustang shifter. However, you've got a modified bolt pattern or shift pattern here for your 5-speed overdrive, and it's made to bolt right up to your T5 transmission. Just in case you didn't know that these guys exist, they do exist. And they make life a lot easier. You don't have to go welding your old shifter now to make it work anymore with a T5 transmission. You can just buy this puppy and you're good to go. Now, as far as getting it in, the easiest thing to do is use a heat gun or a hair dryer, warm this area up, and then just work it in there. You maybe use a flathead screwdriver, and you can get it through that hole no problem. Bolt it up, slide this down, screw it on, you're good to go.